Okay. Let me just stop laughing. Dang, Amber, ain't nothing funny. Like, ain't nothing funny. Alright, I'm good. Cool. Bring it. Just things fall off my head. Okay. Hey everybody, so today I will be talking about tips for beginners who would like to start braiding their own hair. As you know, I did my I did these braids in my head. This is my first time, my first try. So I'm going to be talking about the things that I learned along the way, things I wish I would have did, and the things that I'm doing to upkeep my hair. Upkeep my hair. Okay, anyway. Okay, tip number 1, the hair, picking the hair. I use Expressions hair because that's what the braider I usually go to use. She used Expressions hair and non-stretch for my box braids. I didn't get the same effect. Maybe because I had just started braiding and she's been braiding since she was 12. But me, the hair got tangled. It didn't want to do right. I wasn't going back to the hair store, so I had to use it anyway. It took me hours just to untangle the hair. So I recommend pre-stretched if this is your first time, and also figure out what size you want to do before you start. Maybe get you a braiding rack or something like that, just so you can section off the hair before you start. That's number 1. So number 2, stretching the hair. So if you get non-stretch hair, you will want to stretch out the end so it can give you that like it going down look, like the feathered look. But with me, in my last video, I did show you a technique to where I just pulled out the hair, but that didn't really work towards the end after it got tangled. So I started stepping on it and using one of these eyebrow razors to actually just shave off the ends that I didn't want on there. Okay, instead of cutting it straight, because if you cut it straight, it's just gonna all be the same length, like width, I mean. If you want that look, fine. I didn't. Okay, moving on. Number 3, you want to section your hair beforehand. So if you're just starting out, it's going to be a little harder to just do your braids as you go. So the day before, I know it might sound crazy to somebody, but the day before, I could have did my braids, and I wish I would have did it once I started. So number 4, keeping up braids. I plan on keeping up my braids by spraying this stuff right here. I just went to the hair store, picked that up. It's Salon Pro Exclusives Braid Sheen Shine Spray Argan Oil. It relieves itching, soothes dry scalp, enhances shine, intense moisturization, conditions, non-greasy, softens, long-lasting braids. 8-in-1 formula. It has argan oil in it. I really got it for itching because also I'll be putting leave-in conditioner and water in here with, I think, oil to spray it just to keep my hair moisturized, under the braids. And I also bought a braiding cap. So number 5, do not give up. When I first started, I had to find which length I wanted to do, what width I wanted to do. The hair was getting tangled and I was getting frustrated. But I really wanted this out and I really wanted to do it, so I finished it. So just go right ahead, finish, and continue to braid. Honestly, because it can be a pain. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I will see you next week with different hairstyles that I'll be doing with my hair. Bye. Why do I keep laughing? There's nothing even funny. Like, nothing is funny. Nothing happened. This is why it takes me out of record, because I be doing this laughing. Like, what's going on?